So before we get into the video, I have to say two things. First thing is a little cringe warning for the intro. The second thing is if you're shown in the video and you don't want that to be the case, just contact me, message me, and I'll blur your face or whatever so no one can see who you are.
Yo guys, we're here in Edinburgh, of course, here on Arthur's Seat. I almost forgot what the name of this crazy mountain is, you know. And like we climbed up here, you know, going up, going down, going up again. Really crazy journey, and now I'm gonna show you the beautiful environment.
Ja, es geht.
Tim, ich schwör, ich hau die da hinten auf, wenn das.
Ja, ich mach. Jetzt mach's gescheit. Ja. Das ist so redest. Okay.
Die alle mit Kapuze oder ohne?
Ja, macht's. Okay.
Er auf den Knopflock.
Ja.
Timon,
Wie soll ich das falsch machen?
Ja, ich kenn viel. Da will er nach oben, er sagt, jo, ich mach Fotos.
Okay. Dalla! Unbedingt in den Vlog rein.
Ja, natürlich, das kommt eine richtig sexy Nahaufnahme.
Oh, das ist gut, Pika, danke.
So gut. Willst du was an meine Abonnenten richten, aber auf Englisch natürlich, okay? Hau raus.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't. Okay.
What doesn't make sense?
Everything.
Okay.
So to the video now, you will probably notice that there are a lot of pictures and not a lot of video material, and that's just because I was stupid enough to lose my freaking charging cable for my GoPro, so I couldn't really record all that much, but I still tried to use my GoPro a little bit. But I hope you still enjoy the pictures. Our trip, like how could I best describe it in a short amount of time, because I don't want to talk for the entirety of the video. But yeah, we went to Edinburgh in the first place, and we were living at the host family's house. It was all very nice. We did a lot of stuff, and on the last day we drove to Glasgow, and there we went to like a Chinese restaurant, like my friends and me, and I have to say it was amazing. It was my first time eating Chinese food, and I was really impressed. Like, I gotta say, it tasted very good, so I'm down for doing it again. But yeah, for more infos about the story with losing my charging cable and more infos about the trip in general, I mean, it's not gonna be a lot of infos, but at least some, please read the description. I hope you enjoy the video. I also hope you support my decision to put Scottish music in the background, because I thought it would fit pretty well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm out. Peace.